What happened to mortgage rates? Well, once again, like last September, they went up. So in today's video, we're going to try to explain to you guys, even with rate cuts from the Federal Reserve, why are mortgage rates all of a sudden turning and going the wrong way once again? So if you're watching this video, most likely you're looking to buy or refinance your home. So we're going to try to explain to you guys today what's going on with these and the whys behind it. How do we know that? What's right here? So let's get to what the Federal Reserve said yesterday, what their concerns are, and then we're going to look at today's news and see how these might be affecting these. So here's the caption that the Chairman Powell came in and said yesterday. The jobs gains have slowed and the unemployment rate has edged up but remains low. Inflation has moved up and it remains somewhat elevated. The committee seeks to achieve maximum employment and inflation at a rate of 2% over the long run. Uncertainty about the economic outlook remains elevated. The committee is attentive to the risk to both sides of our dual mandate, which is full employment and inflation at 2%, and judges the downside risk to employment has risen. In support of this goal, and in light of the shift of balance of risk, the committee decided to lower the target rate by 0.25%. So they're telling us the most emphasis is right there. That's our main concern right now, right? Okay, so let's get over to the news that we just got, and it's right through here. So we got initial jobless claims and then continued claims. And so we want to look at how many people lost their jobs, and then are people being able to be absorbed into the job market and not having them compile or pile up. So if you go over to here, the initial jobless claims, last reading, I think this must have been revised, but it's 264,000. The economists were expecting 241,000, a little bit of a drop. It dropped dramatically at 231,000. So that means less people lost their jobs. Okay, but what it also tells us, if we roll over to this, the last reading on this number was 1.927. What actually basically stayed steady or was lower than our last reading. So the jobs report right through here, I'll give it an okay thumbs up.